What's going on, family? Back TC, Build and Destroy Daily, and today I'm going to show you how to install the simplest plug-and-play security camera on the market right now, in my opinion. Now, you seen my video where I installed the Night Owl system. I told you I had a Ring camera system, but now, we teamed up with Dzees, and we're going to install the D3 smart security camera, all right? Battery powered. The battery will last but they say between 3 to 6 months. So I'll let you guys know once I actually have it out there and running. 1080p, night vision, it has a two-way audio communication. It has a spotlight and siren alarm that you can turn on in emergencies, 360-degree field of view, or you can move it 360 degrees and see everything that you need to see. It has AI motion detection, so that AI component, it will detect humans, pets, other objects, just to make sure it's not sending you a bunch of false alarms, all right? So you can get notifications on that detection, that motion detection, okay? You also have the option to set up 5 preset positions. So what that means is you can view 5 different angles, all from the app. Now, this camera is rated IP66. That means it's pretty good when it comes to waterproof and dust proofing, right? So it's perfectly fine to be outside. You don't have to be worried about it. And it is 100% wireless. You don't have to plug it into anything, all right? Let's get right into opening this baby up. So as you can see here, we have the actual camera body. Battery is inside of this housing unit. The antennas are here on the side for wireless transmission and reception. Here's the lens. You see a couple LED lights on the side of the lens, and it comes with this plastic to protect the lens in shipping, which is also good to see. You have a speaker here on the back of the camera. It looks like they have an SD card mount right on the bottom of the camera. And on the back of the camera, this is where you can plug in to charge the camera every few months. So that's pretty cool. Everything is packaged up very nicely. So the way you'll mount this, here's the mounting bracket here, right? There are 4 screw holes right on the back side of this mounting bracket. You do need to secure the mounting bracket to the wall or whatever you're mounting this to, right? So you want to drill some pilot holes in whatever wooden, or I hope that you use wood, but you might screw it into some masonry, maybe bricks or something like that. But you want to drill some pilot holes, and then you want to come back and screw the screws in to these 4 holes here on the mounting bracket. Next thing we want to do is get the app set up. I'm going to show you 2 different downloads, one on the Android and one on the iOS, just so you see how the app looks in both platforms, okay? You want to allow permissions, accept the terms and agreement, go through this tutorial page, and then sign up for a new account, okay? I skipped that process so you guys wouldn't see my password, but sign up for a new account. Here, you'll press this power button on the bottom of the unit until you hear it turn on. You'll see this blue light that lets you know that it has turned on, and it will start spinning like a baby robot. Pretty cool. The next step will be to set up the Wi-Fi with the app, okay? Once the Wi-Fi is set up on the app, now you will scan this QR code with the actual camera.
Wi-Fi connected.
You'll hear Wi-Fi connected. It'll go through a few more load up steps, and then you should be good to go as far as the app to phone, the app to camera connection. After that, you go ahead and attach your camera to the mount outside. Test the Wi-Fi connection, make sure it's still strong so it can pick up the signal, and you're good to go. Make sure you take that plastic wrap off of those lenses. And there you have it. That's the Dzees D3 smart camera installation. I love the app. I showed you the app setup on the Android platform and the iOS platform. So you see how the app looks on both platforms. You can control everything from the app. It's great. I think my favorite function is the motorized part. I like being able to move my camera around. That kind of replaces the need for multiple cameras in one location in the house. So I might not need a front door camera and a garage area camera because I can see multiple places just from that one camera. So that's my favorite function on the camera. You get it, you check it out. It's not even that expensive. It's less than $100, and you get all of those functions. You really can't beat it. All right. So y'all go check it out. I'll put the link in the description to purchase one if you would like to. And be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment on the video. Let me know what you think about it. And let Dzees know that you found the camera on the regular network. All right? Peace.